Namaskar दोस्तों. Today is 19th June 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market. This is a weekly wrap video in on Nifty. So it looks like that Lalaji is turning its course. But before we get into that, let's first have a very quick look on our global market. So when we look into S&P 500, so S&P 500 on Friday had almost a 1.3% drop, and it has actually now closed below 50 bar moving average. So on Thursday night we discussed that this doji is not confirming the downward trend, and we need to have one more candle to confirm the trend which is going down. And that candle has become this red candle, and this is a very strong candle because this candle has now closed below 50 bar moving average. So I was at one point of time actually hoping that it will take a support on 50 and move up, but that has not happened. So definitely S&P 500 has now turned, and now for the next support which we see for S&P 500 is at 4100, or yeah, almost at 4061 and 4100. So now we need to see how the S&P 500 is going to act. But now S&P 500 has turned. When we look into US government 10 bond yield, we see that US government 10 bond yield is continuing its position down. So this is one good sign we have. So this is at most at around 1.443. And the main culprit of this game is US dollar index. So US dollar index has continuing a sharp move, and now it has almost touched 92.2. This is definitely not good for emerging market like India, and specifically for Bank Nifty. Why? Because see, all the FPI who invest in India market, when they take their money out, then they need to, and if they're putting that money back to their home, then they will take it in dollars. So they need to buy a dollar, they need to pay more rupee. It means it is a loss for them. So they will always prefer that US dollar index is running lower. So rupee is stronger. Uh, so this is unless and until this is turning back to the levels of 90, we are going to see that our market will be under tremendous pressure, and the new highs are definitely not in the horizon. So it's very important that the US dollar index should start tapering down. It is now about 200 bar moving average. Starting in just in three session, it has moved from 90 to 92, which I have not seen in recent time. So let's see how it goes from here. But US government 10 bond yield has to come down. So with that in background, now let's have a look into Lalaji. Now when we look into Lalaji on weekly basis has formed its first red candle after almost 8 week. But still it has closed above 8, above 20, and above all the moving average. So definitely in uptrend, but definitely overstretch scenario. So any consolidation in this zone of 15,400 to 15,900 could be a very strong it is a strong healthy consolidation for a long term bull market. But as of now, on weekly basis, Lalaji is definitely in uptrend. And now when we look into daily chart, what we see here is that on Friday we had a very volatile session where we almost touch the weekly low and form a new week low at 15,451. So now for the next week, what we see is that on bottom side, the first support the market which is going to have, it is at 15,560, which is weekly L3. Then the next support is at 15,435, which is combination of my magical blue line and the weekly L4. And if 15,435 is gone, then the next support is at 15,200, which is a monthly pivot. And also by that time, the 50 bar moving average will come down. So 15,200, 15,435, and 15,559 will act as a support for the market in the coming week. And on upper side now, Lalaji will have resistance which will be at 15,683, 15,807, and definitely 15,901 will act as a very strong resistance, which is a combination of monthly H3 weekly H4 and my blue magical line. So 15901 is the top of the consolidation, and at the bottom 154 5 435. So let's hope that on Monday 15435 is not broken, then the consolidation is confirmed. If 15435 is broken, then the next target for market is at 15202. So that's how on daily basis the levels look like. But on daily basis, when we look in terms of a trend, the market has closed below 8 bar but above 20 bar, above 50 and above 200. So on daily basis also, as of now, market is in uptrend. Now when we look into 15-minute chart, that is where the interesting thing happened on Friday. So 15-minute chart, market has shown, market is Lalaji is closed above 8, above 50, above 20, just below 200. So definitely on 15-minute chart also, as far as the moving average, it is in uptrend. Now let's try to confirm this view through market profile. So when you look into market profile, what we see for Monday is that Monday's CPR is below Friday's CPR. So market profile is bearish. Now it all depends upon where the market is gonna open on Monday. So when we look into SGX as of now, SGX is showing 15568. So 15568 is just above the weekly L3 and just below my black magical line. So it is going to open below pivot for sure. So if it's getting open below pivot, then the official trade for Monday is sell on rise. Sell on rise at either at pivot. So for Monday, the pivot is 15632 or 15768. So 15768 will be closer to 200 bar moving average somewhere here. So 15768, which will also the, yeah, 768 closer to 200 bar moving average, or pivot which is at 15634. So sell on rise on Monday, or one can also, looking at the dynamics of the market, one can also look for a 15-minute breakout on the bottom direction. Now that's the trade plan for Monday. Official trade plan, official idea is sell on rise at pivot which is at 15632. Now this, both the black line will act as a resistance for the market, so we need to see how market is reacting on Monday morning. But official trade is sell on rise, and let's hope that on Monday market doesn't cross 15,435. So sell on rise 15,435. It can, S2 is at 15,323, and L4 is at 15,513. 15,513. 513. So somewhere closer to S1. Okay. So let's hope the market reverses from S1 and goes to the pivot, or maybe above. But sell on rise for Monday. There's an idea. Now let's see what happened on Friday. So on Friday, we entered a market with a clear thought that it is going to be a trending day, and the market had a gapped up opening as per our trade. An idea of the my trade plan was to buy on dip and continue my position. So on 15-minute breakout, I did not exit my current position, and I didn't even take the PE position. And then I was waiting for a market to come to my levels. And then the first trade reversal pattern which happened on this particular green bar. So as per trade plan, I entered and entered the two lot here, and then market further went down, and then my stop loss was around 15,500, which was close to S2. And then I thought, anyways, I'm going so bad, let me just carry this position because this is somewhere closer to S3. And then fortunately, the second extreme reversal pattern happened here, and then market shown a very strong reversal, and this reversal was very strong. It almost went and closed just above the pivot of the, this bar was about to pivot, and I should have exited all my positions here, but I did not. and I'm still carrying around 450 quantity of 650 CE and one quantity of 750 CE with me. So I did not exited my position, and now I am on gas. But the my idea that I did not exit the position mainly was that it has closed above the weekly pivot. It has closed above all the moving averages. So, and this move, the reverse move, was very strong. So I thought that Monday could be a gap up opening, but I missed to look into dollar index, which was going up. So Lalaji gave me an opportunity to come out of the mess which I have created, but I did not come out. And now let me see what happens on Monday. So Monday I will still carry on with my big balls, and I'm sorry, and see if I can. I'll keep a stop loss of 14,435 and take a big loss here, or wait for a market to reverse from here and maybe consolidate further. But this is gonna be now my stop loss for the all the position which I'm carrying. And if I get an opportunity where in the morning, if it goes up somewhere here, it has some rise, then I will look see if at 15,681 or something, if I can exit, I'll try to exit all my position. So that's it for me. uh, I hope you guys are having a good weekend. uh, Stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind.